SQL Interview Question and Answer, question number 51. What do you mean by simple views? Why and how do you create? This question is asking about definition of simple views. Furthermore, it is asking about why do we use them and how do we create them. If a view is created by using only one base table, then it is called simple view. We use simple view to increase security and control access. One of the example is given here. Some PII, that means personal identification information, are not allowed to access to all employees in certain institution. But some information are needed to work on certain analysis. In such a scenario, creating views for those information that include certain columns and rows and provide access to employees is the best approach. Next step, how do we create it? We can create views by using create statement. We start with create, view, and view name. To explain this question, let me use one table. Its name is employees. First of all, let me check data from employees table. To check information, we use describe statement, DESC, employees. When we run this code, after successful completion of the code, we will get following result, which includes name, that means column name, whether it includes null or not, and what type of data is included. From here, name column, it includes employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission percentage, manager ID, and department ID. Column name, email, phone number, salary, and commission percentage, those information are not applicable to share every employees. That's why we would like to hide those information. To hide those information, we can create a view which includes only those columns except those information like email, phone number, salary, and commission percentage. That's why we have created here one views. Next step, creating simple views. Create view employees underscore VW as, that means it's the view name, employees underscore view. We select employee ID, first name, last name, hire date, job ID, manager ID, and department ID. We have not selected those information, email, phone number, salary, and commission percentage from employees table. When we run this code, after successful completion of the code, it creates a view, which is shown on the right side. There is a screenshot is given here. It shows here view employees underscore VW created. When we check with the left hand side of this screenshot from view section, we will get employees underscore view is listed there. That means view has created. Next step, let me check what type of the data information, what type of the column information are included in views. That means the employees underscore view. DSC employees underscore VW. When we run this code, we will get following result that contains name, whether it includes null or not, and what type of the data has included in those columns. We have obtained column name, employee ID, first name, last name, hire date, job ID, manager ID, and department ID. From here, it is clear that we have omitted. From here, we can conclude that creating a view increases security and it controls access. Instead of giving access to whole table, we can create a view by controlling columns and give access. Let me run those code in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. This is Oracle developer window where I am going to run those code which I explained before. First of all, let me check data from employees table. We check data by using describe statement. DSC employees. Let me run this code. We obtain following result where result contains name, whether it has included null or not, and what type of data has included in those columns. Those column names are employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, commission percentage, manager ID, and department ID. From this list, email, phone number, salary, and commission percentage, those information are not applicable to share every employee. That's why we are going to hide or exclude those column name from the table and give access to the employee. That means we are going to create view by excluding those columns and provide access to the all employee for further analysis. Next step, let me create a view. We create view by using create statement, create view, view name, where view name is employees underscore VW. Select employee ID, first name, last name, hire date, job ID, manager ID, and department ID. That means we have excluded those four columns: email, phone number, salary, and commission percentage. From employees, let me run this code. That means it creates a view. We obtain following result. View employees underscore VW created. Let me check whether it has created view or not. From this view section, view, let me refresh it. It has included here views, that means employees underscore VW. That means it has created view. Next step, checking column and data type from employees underscore VW. We use again describe statement, DSC employees underscore VW. Let me run this code. This is our final result where it has included employee ID, first name, last name, hire date, manager ID, and department ID. That means it has excluded those four columns. In this way, by creating view, we can increase security and control access. Instead of providing access to the full table, we create view, then provide the access to the all employee. That means it has controlled some access information. That's all about question number 51. Thank you.